So the reason I joined the Cross-Border C-Suite DIY Home and Garden event is I wanted to basically reconnect with a lot of partners as we already work with. I have a ton of account managers from different marketplaces that are usually able to only meet online because we are obviously living in different countries, and to do it personally is just adds to the experience. So I was in a short time, in a couple of hours, already be able to get to know them better, personally align the goals on what we should concentrate on together. So as far as the experience goes, it's so far it's one of the most useful events I experienced in a long time. So yeah, my best experience is definitely the people, but also the place just looks amazing. So very well done by the organizer. So thank you for the invite, and I'm looking forward to participating more of this.